Hi guys, I want to show you the best cactus that you can grow indoor or outdoor. I will show you in a little bit.
The Apunta albispina cactus or angel wings cactus is a member of the prickly pear family that grows evenly spaced clusters of hairs rather than sharp spines. The Mexican native grows clusters of pads that get no larger than 2 feet tall, but can grow up to 5 feet across over time. Pale yellow blooms are followed by red edible fruits on plants that receive a full day of sun. 2. Rat-tail cactus. If your sunniest window does not have the space to accommodate a container, consider a hanging basket with the fantastic Cactus flagelliformis or rat-tail cactus. This plant is indigenous to Mexico, where its vibrant magenta blooms have been used in traditional medicines for heart problems. Choose a generously sized hanging basket for this fast-growing cactus. The thick stems can trail for 3 feet. 3. African milk tree. Euphorbia trigona is one of those easy cactus specimens that make every grower feel like an expert. Also known as the cathedral plant, this cactus can grow in excess of 8 feet tall, but it is a slow grower and is unlikely to grow much past 4 feet indoors. Small green leaves grow between thorns on the ridged stems, and if you grow the rubra variety, the leaves are reddish purple. If you plant it in soil with good drainage and water it twice a month, then your African milk tree may live for decades. 4. Saguaro cactus. Anyone who has visited the Sonoran Desert will not soon forget the sight of a 40-foot saguaro cactus punctuating the landscape. These majestic plants may live for 2 centuries, and it can take up to 40 years for flowering to occur. The slow growth rate of this cactus makes it possible to grow one for many years as an indoor houseplant as well. Give your saguaro as much light as possible and water sparingly about once a month. 5. Old Lady Cactus. This cactus variety is as full of personality as its name suggests. Mammillaria hahniana forms small colonies of 10-inch tall spheres, which feature white hairs and spines. Healthy plants may feature a halo of pink blooms like a crown atop a head. Plant this cactus in sandy potting mix, water every other week, and in winter, water it monthly. 6. Bishop's cap. The simple sphere shape of Astrophytum ornatum looks striking with decorative gravel mulch and a substantial ceramic pot. Stiff spikes cover deeply ridged spheres, which can attain several feet in height. The plants often develop a white frosty coating that may look like a disease, but is actually a defense mechanism to protect the plant from the sun. Water it infrequently and provide plenty of hot sunny conditions if you want to see the yellow blooms develop. 7. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus is pretty toothless as far as the cactus family goes with its smooth segmented leaves and soft, rounded spines. Tubular flowers come in red, pink, orange, and white. This cactus species is a departure from normal cactus care. The plant hails from Brazilian rainforests, where they live as epiphytes growing on other tree branches. Give these plants filtered light and moderate irrigation. If you can expose them to cooler temperatures between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit as winter approaches, you can get your plants to rebloom. 8. Barrel cactus. The Pherocactus genus lives up to its name of fierce cactus. It is covered with long, rigid spines that protect its juicy, edible pulp. The barrel cactus may live for many decades and eventually reaches a maximum height of 8 to 10 feet when growing outdoors. As a houseplant, the barrel cactus craves as much sun as you can provide and scant irrigation, coupled with a loose sandy potting mix.
I love this cactus because it's easy to plant and then it can grow indoor or outdoor. And after 2 weeks, you can see something come out. And look. I love it. And look at this, guys. After 6 weeks, it multiplies. And then you can take out some of the cactus that grow and plant it again. That's why I love cactus. Very easy to take care. You water them once a week and that's it. They're happy. And look at this, guys. After 6 weeks, it multiply. And then you can take out some of the cactus that grow and plant it again. That's why I love cactus. Very easy to take care. You water them once a week and that's it. They're happy. Look at that. Really good. Look at that. Really